Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to open a Capital One account. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about why you might want to choose Capital One. Capital One is a large bank with a wide range of products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and auto loans. They are also known for their excellent customer service. If you're looking for a bank that offers a variety of products and services, has a good reputation for customer service, and is easy to open an account with, then Capital One is a great choice. Now that you know a little bit about Capital One, let's get started on how to open an account. There are two main ways to open a Capital One account, online and in person. Online. Opening an account online is the easiest and fastest way to do it. Here's how. Go to the Capital One website. Click on the Open an Account button. Select the type of account you want to open. Fill out the application form. Submit your application. Once you have submitted your application, you will need to verify your identity. You can do this by providing your social security number, driver's license number, or passport number. Once your identity has been verified, your account will be opened. You will then be able to access your account online and through the Capital One mobile app. In person. If you prefer to open an account in person, you can do so at a Capital One branch. Here's how. Find a Capital One branch near you. Visit the branch and talk to a banker. Fill out the application form. Submit your application. Once you have submitted your application, you will need to verify your identity. You can do this by providing your social security number, driver's license number, or passport number. Once your identity has been verified, your account will be opened. You will then be able to access your account online and through the Capital One mobile app. Additional tips. Here are some additional tips for opening a Capital One account. If you are opening a checking account, you will need to deposit a minimum of $25. If you are opening a savings account, you will need to deposit a minimum of $10. You can open a Capital One account even if you have bad credit. However, you may be limited to certain products and services. I hope this guide has helped you to open a Capital One account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.